Nisam Bulavanaka, I'm Chochi Wavule.
Talafalava, I'm Ursula Winterstein.
Warm Pacific Greetings, I'm Shannon Side.
And we're the Mental Health Talanoa research team. And we're very excited about sharing this with you, the Mental Health Talanoa research and resources, which is all about a collaborative community engagement, enhancing mental health and well-being across Pacific communities. This is a document that has been informed by a whole range of different research activities. And this was all shaped and formed by the Pacific Mental Health Initiative, the PMHI. And in the Pacific Mental Health Initiative, we were involved in working collaboratively with this broader group of Pacific elders and leaders from the community. And there was two key activities that came from the Pacific Mental Health Initiative. One was the Pacific Mental Health First Aid Facilitators Project, and the other project was us, the Mental Health Talanoa Research Project. And our project was funded by Western Sydney Primary Health Network, Southwestern Sydney Primary Health Network, Nepean Blue Mountains Primary Health Network, and the New South Wales Ministry of Health. And it's through this shared collaboration that we're able to actually do this particular project, Mental Health Talanoa.
So the Mental Health Talanoa project had 4 phases. The first being formation, community engagement, the second, research community collaboration, the third, education community resources, and the fourth, training community development. So those 4 phases spoke to each other across the length of the research program. And we see the outer circle there, we've got individuals, families, community, and systems. Systems such as healthcare systems, other systems as well, research systems, university systems. All of those spoke to each other throughout this research project. And the FRET model is designed in a way like a wave. It's a symbolism of they're coming in and they're going out. So people came in, influenced, and influenced each other in a reciprocal fashion. So it was a very, lots of voices informing what we developed, and I think that speaks to the richness of what this research report is showing.
Okay, and what you're seeing now is one of our infographics, and so we have a series of infographics as part of the research. So these were directly informed by our research data, so that's stuff like our surveys of almost 200 participants, our Talanoa sessions, and just feedback from the community as well. And so this one is about the possible symptoms that Pacific people may have, may experience. I guess it's not diagnostic. These are just, I guess, possible symptoms that they may experience.
And from our Talanoa sessions, which there were 4 sessions with more than 20 participants from a range of Pacific backgrounds, many different themes came out of those. So we think these themes are really significant in terms of the way that Pacific communities might engage with mental health, the way that broader health systems interact with Pacific people. So we're excited to unpack this in a future video, but here's a little snapshot of what our participants talked about.
Similarly, we also have a series of research recommendations that, again, were directly informed by the research itself. And we're hoping that such recommendations will provide scope for individuals and families, community group services, and other systems to be meaningfully developed off the back of these recommendations.
And so what you're looking at now is our Pacific Indigenous Mental Health Lexicon, our PIML. So this was created by our research team to enhance terminology for Pacific languages, just for a more enhanced understanding around mental health and well-being. And so those 4 languages are Bislama, Fijian, Samoan, and Tongan.
So that's an overview of our Mental Health Talanoa research and resources. We're so excited that we can share this with the world, and we're hoping that this will be helpful for our Pacific communities here in Australia, across Oceania, and also for those working with our communities, our professions and our agencies, and to really assist in working collaboratively in creating an ongoing mental health Talanoa. Hopefully you find it helpful, and thanks for your interest in supporting the research.
Thank you.